Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying your Tacoma's year and current head unit. That determines which CarPlay solution fits. Once done, choose between a direct Apple CarPlay head unit or a retrofit adapter that works with your OEM display. Make sure you buy a compatible wiring harness adapter and antenna adapter to avoid cutting factory plugs. Prepare tools and a clean workspace. You'll remove trim and unscrew the factory unit next, so having labeled bags for screws makes reassembly faster. You disconnect the battery negative terminal to protect electronics. This is essential. Next, remove the dash panels and unplug the factory head unit, then plug the wiring harness adapter into the OEM connectors. This preserves steering controls and airbag circuits. Once the adapter is connected, attach the new head unit's harness, route the USB and microphone to practical locations, and reconnect the antenna with its adapter. After you seat the unit and hand-tighten screws, reconnect the battery and power on to begin. You now configure CarPlay by connecting your iPhone via USB or following the unit's wireless pairing flow. Accept prompts on the phone and head unit. Test apps, audio playback, voice commands, steering wheel controls, and backup camera if present. If CarPlay doesn't connect, make sure the USB port supports data, check the ground and harness seating, and confirm any CAN bus or adapter orientation. If still failing, update the head unit firmware or swap to another known good cable before troubleshooting deeper.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.